Okay, okay. Konting vlog lang tayo dito sa nagtatanong. Basically, tinatanong niya kung paano naging keto coach itong pinapakita niya, no? Online keto coach Miguel Chanco. Hindi ko kilala yung tao. Hindi ko alam, no? Hindi ko alam kung may certification o whatever. But yung particular post na kung saan ako tinag, it seems hindi siya keto coach, no? It seems hindi siya advocate ng keto. It seems maaaring alam niya kung ano yung keto. Madali lang naman malaman kung ano yung keto. Madali lang naman malaman kung ano yung low carb. But I don't think that he, no, is an actual practitioner or advocate of keto. Kasi yung wordings niya, the way he delivered, no, yung kanyang mga sinabi doon sa particular video na yun, hindi, it doesn't look like na keto siya. Kasi ako, personally, I eat carbs or carb from time to time, but I never say that it is essential. No, I never say that it is essential because it's not essential. I never say na okay lang kumain, wag matakot sa carb, etc., etc. No, I never say that. Simply because carb is not essential, no. So hindi siya dapat talaga kinakain. So kaya ang sasabi ko, kung kakain kayo ng carbohydrates, kung kakain kayo ng donut na pinakita niya, kung kakain kayo ng KitKat na pinakita niya, kung kakain kayo ng kamote, o whatever na carb na pinakita niya doon sa video niya, no, then it is not essential. Kainin nyo kasi gusto nyo, kainin nyo kasi masarap, because the truth of the matter is masarap naman talaga, no? Masarap naman talaga yung KitKat, masarap naman talaga yung donut. Wala namang question doon. But it will never be essential. That being said, no, whether keto coach ba ito o hindi, I don't think that he is a keto coach. So, I don't know, branding maybe, no? Maaaring branding niya yun. I don't know. But I don't think that he is a keto coach. So, sa mga naghahanap ng quote-unquote keto coach or low-carb coach, then I think you should look for someone else. A real keto coach, a real low-carb coach will never say that carb is okay.